Third sum, fifth subdivision, third sum. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Please write. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So here we take the left hand side. We'll copy the left hand side. Tan theta by 1 plus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. And we are going to write this in terms of sine and cos. 1 minus, okay, 1 minus cot theta. So we will write this in terms of sine and cos. Tan theta, how to write in terms of sine and cos? Tan theta is equal to tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. Again, Ibrahim, good. Sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta, how do you write cot theta in terms of sine? Cos theta by sin theta. Okay, this time Srihari said the correct answer. Cos theta by sin theta. Okay, online also, please respond. Okay, all of you, please turn on the camera, and when I ask the questions, you have to respond through the chat box or by unmuting. Okay, so we will write sin theta by cos theta in the numerator. Sin theta by cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus. Similarly, this cot theta also we have to write. Cot theta is, how to write cot theta, children? Cos theta by sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Like this we will write. Now in the denominator, we take the common denominator, that is sin theta. When we take sin theta as the common denominator here, this is 1 by 1. First fraction multiplied by sin theta. Here we multiply cos theta, right? So what will be this one? Sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. Here cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So like this we write the next step. That is sin theta by cos theta upon sin theta by cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta all divided by sin theta plus then cos theta by sin theta all divided by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So this is the because 1 is 1 by 1. 1 means it is 1 by 1. Sin theta is a common denominator. So first fraction multiplied by sin. So it becomes sin theta then minus cos theta all divided by sin theta. Is that clear? Here also the same. Cos theta is in C. This is 1 by 1. Multiply cos. Is it clear? Cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Yes, all of you please write till this step. We have taken the LCM in the denominator. Next is division. How to do division of fraction? Multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction, right? Multiply by the reciprocal of second fraction. So when you do that multiplication, the sin theta will go up and we multiply these two. Okay? Sin theta will go up and we multiply these two. Here also like this, cos theta will go up and we have to multiply these two. Okay? So this is the multiplication. The sin theta will go up and multiply this, and here also cos theta will go up. Okay? So then this becomes sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta, it has gone up. So it is sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Next, also the same cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Is that clear? Right? Okay. Next is from this term, we will take a minus sign outside. Okay, minus outside, then it is sin theta minus cos theta. So it is sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta. Then I want to reverse this term to sin theta minus cos theta. For that, I took minus outside. Okay, minus of sin theta minus cos theta. Is that clear? Okay, so there I took minus outside. When we take minus outside, what happens? Divide these two terms by minus. Minus means minus 2. That is, minus by minus, this term will become plus. That is written first. Then cos theta by minus becomes minus. So it is sin theta minus cos theta. Is that clear? So why do we write like this? Here you can see a sin theta minus cos theta. Now here also sin theta minus cos theta. We can easily take a common factor outside, that is sin theta minus cos theta can be taken outside as a common factor. Okay, so that is the next step. And at the same time, I will write positive by negative. What is positive by negative, children? Negative. Okay, we can write positive by negative, the sign as negative. So I'll take common factor, that is 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta, which means from the denominator, we took sin theta minus cos theta outside. Then this is sin square theta by cos theta. Positive by negative is negative minus cos square theta by sin theta. Okay, sin square theta by cos theta minus cos square theta by sin theta. Is that clear? All of you understood this, right? Yes, is it clear? Now, that is 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into, this is again LCM. LCM is cos theta into sin theta. First fraction multiplied by sin theta, right? So this will become sin cube theta minus cos cube theta by cos theta sin theta. Is that clear? Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta by cos theta sin theta. Is it clear, Simon? Here, positive by negative, I wrote negative here. And we took sin theta minus cos theta outside. So numerator is 1. Then I took the LCM. So first fraction multiplied by sin theta, this becomes sin cube theta, and second fraction you will multiply by cos theta, and this becomes cos cube theta. Okay. Yes. Now this is of the form a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube. Class 9 we studied by details. A minus b into, first we have to remove the cube. A minus b into, then a square plus ab plus b square. This is a cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. In class 9, we have studied in chapter number 2, right? a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We will apply this identity to the numerator. You can see this is the numerator. We will apply this identity to the numerator. So this becomes 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into, now the numerator becomes sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus AB. AB means the sin theta cos theta. All right. A square plus B square plus AB. Or A square plus AB plus B square. Is it clear, children, that identity applied? AQ minus BQ. First we remove the Q. A minus B. It is sin theta minus cos theta into A square plus B square, I wrote seconded, plus AB, okay, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is an identity too. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1, right? It is 1. So denominator is a cos theta sin theta. Now in this step, you can see a clear cancellation. What can you cancel out in this step? Sin theta minus cos theta. Can you see these two? Both are same, right? So we cut this one. Please cancel out this. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta. What about sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. So that you will write in the reference space and we apply to this step. So this becomes 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon cos theta sin theta. Okay. 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon cos theta sin theta. 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon cos theta sin theta. Is that clear? Now we divide it term-wise. It will be 1 by cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. 1 by cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. Yes. What is the 1 by cos theta? Reciprocal of cos theta. No idea. This is actually 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. Online, please respond, children. Now, second name is 1. It is same, so second name is 1. What is the 1 by cos theta?
Sec theta.
Sec theta, reciprocal relation. What is 1 by sin theta? Cosec theta. So what is the name? First name. Sec theta into cosec theta. Then plus 1. Now look at the answer. Did you get the answer? Look at the right hand side. There is a right hand side in front of you. Every time we have to have a look on that one. Did you get that? Yes, you got it. So it is 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So this is the RHS right hand side. So hence it is proved 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So this is the complete answer to this question, question number 3. Okay, now quickly 30 seconds, all of you please go through all these steps that you have written into your notebook. And if there is any doubt, you can ask. LCM is taken in between. AQ minus BQ formula is applied in between. First step, tan theta, we wrote sin theta by cos theta. Please go through all these steps. Very important sum. 4 marker. Please note down. It has a 4 marker question. Hope you all completed this for the sum and all the steps you have gone through this. Is it clear, children? But from my part, I request all of you to practice it very well, okay? If you say simply that it is all right, when I explain, it is not enough. From your part, thoroughly you have to practice, okay? Because otherwise, during exam time, you may get stuck at some point, okay, if you don't practice it. So please avoid that, practice it very well. Question number 4 is already done, right? Last class we have done the fourth sum. In fourth sum, we have taken LHS and RHS and we proved both the sides equal. Now we have the fifth one. 50 is another 4 marker. Question number 5 and example 15 are similar questions. Now the fifth one, please write. Fifth one, very, very important 4 marker question. Even third is also 4 marker. Fifth is 4 marker, right? Through that, cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Using the identity cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Using the identity cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Please write this. Prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Using the identity cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Some questions, this may not be given using the identity part, okay? So there also you must remember this question. Answer is in terms of cosec and cot. It is an expression in the numerator. Its denominator is nothing means 1, okay? Denominator it is 1. So first step is you must convert this cos sine to cosec and cot. Normally we are doing the other way around. Tan and cot to sine and cos. But here cos and sine, all these, we are going to convert into cosec and cot. We all know cot A is, what is cot A is equal to? Cot A, cos A by sine A. And cosec A is 1 by reciprocal of. Cosec A is a reciprocal of sin A, right? 1 by sin A. So to convert cot and cosec, we should get sin A in the denominator. So that is a key of starting. Dividing the LHS throughout by sin A. Because cosec A is 1 by sin A and cot A is cos A by sin A. To convert the given LHS to cosec and cot, dividing it throughout by what? Dividing it by sin A. Dividing it by sin A. So we take the LHS. LHS is cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. Then the first step is dividing numerator and denominator by sin A. Dividing numerator and denominator by what? By sin A. We have to divide numerator and denominator by sin A. So this will be cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A all divided by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus minus 1 by sin A. We have to divide numerator and denominator by what? Sin A, right? We will divide numerator and denominator by sin A. This is to convert it into cot and cosec. Is it clear, children? So each term, numerator, each term I have divided by sin A. And denominator also each term we divide by what? Sin A. Now, cos A by sin A is cos A by sin A, cot A. Sin A by sin A, 1. 1 by sin A, cosec A. So we will write this. Cot A minus 1 plus cosec A. Denominator, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So like this, we will write it. Okay. Now we will arrange it to get 1 as the last term. So it will be cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So by this writing, we get 1 as the last term. 1 as the last term. It's not known. Cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Yes. Now, look at the answer. What is the answer? What is the answer? Required answer? No, answer, right hand side. Using the identity is written. Answer, right hand side. What is right hand side? Required right hand side. Cosec A plus cot A. Okay, that is very, very important. Nature on the right hand side. This cosec A plus cot A is in the numerator. Its denominator is 1. That means we have to get an expression in the numerator. So if RHS is an expression in the numerator, we replace this numerator 1 using identity number connecting cosec and cot. What is the identity which connect cosec and cot to get 1? Which identity? 1, 2, or 3? Third identity. Study it well. Okay. What is third identity? Cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to. So you will replace the 1 in the numerator with that. Cosec square A minus cot square A. How will you identify numerator or denominator to replace? Look at the right hand side. In our right hand side, the expression is in the numerator. So we have to replace that numerator 1. So I will write that reason in the reference space. The expression given in RHS is in numerator. RHS is in numerator. So replace the 1 in numerator by this formula, cosec square A minus cot square A. This is the reason for replacing 1 in the numerator. Is that clear? If we have to get an answer in denominator to the right hand side, you will replace the denominator. Example number 15 is that form. So this is the reason the expression given in RHS is in numerator. Is that clear? So replace the 1 in numerator. 1 in numerator in the sense, in this step, the 1 in numerator by what? Cosec square A minus cot square A. You have to write that reason in the reference space. Did you write? Michael, is it clear that reason? The expression given in RHS is in numerator. So replace the 1 in numerator by Ibrahim. 1 in numerator by what formula? Third identity. What is third identity? It is written here, cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, so we are going to replace the 1 in the numerator accordingly. So this becomes cot A plus cosec A, cot A plus cosec A, minus of, in bracket, cosec square A minus cot square A, all divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So like this, the numerator 1 should be replaced by cosec square A minus cot square A. Now, cosec square A minus cot square A, we can factorize. How will you factorize cosec square A minus cot square A? A square minus B square formula. What is that? A plus B into A minus B. So you will write this cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. We have to write this in the form cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. So this will be cot A plus cosec A, then minus of cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. All divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Cot A minus cosec A plus 1. All right, is it clear? Now in these two terms, we can take a common factor outside. What is the common factor in these two terms? Here it is cot A plus cosec A. Here also cosec A plus cot A, or cot A plus cosec A. We can take it outside. So it will be cosec A plus cot A into. So the numerator 1 is replaced like this. And then we have factorized. Now I take the common factor, that is cosec A plus cot A into. Then in bracket, the first term will become 1. Is that clear? Because from here, this cot A plus cosec A is taken outside. Taken outside means divided by that. So this will become 1, right? So from this expression also it is taken outside. So minus of, in bracket, cosec A minus cot A. So minus of, in bracket, cosec A minus cot A. We will close this bracket. All divided by cot A, then minus cosec A plus 1. All divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Is that clear? Common factor. Okay, because this one you have to write this step. 1 is replaced. Even this one also okay, right? A plus B. Now this is first day and this one second day. In these two terms, here cosec A plus cot A, here also cosec A plus 1. I have taken it common. This is common factor. When we take common factor, what to do? Divide each term by common factor, right? So this will be divided, it becomes 1. Is that clear? Because this divided by that taken out common. So this 1 means it will become 1. Is that clear? Here also we divide cosec A plus cot A, that will get cancelled, minus of cosec A minus cot A. Is that clear? Okay. Write the step. All of you please write the step. Common factor is taken out. Now using minus, we will open this bracket. Using this minus sign, we are going to open this bracket. So this will become cosec A plus cot A into, like this, cosec A plus cot A into, then 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. 1 minus cosec A plus cot A, all divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. All divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Is that clear, right? Yes. Now, the next step is we have to cut this. We will cut these two. Then we get cosec A plus cot A. So this is cosec A plus cot A. Look at the answer. This is all right. So we got RHS. So the other two parts are same. So we could cancel out those two factors. So the remaining part is cosec A plus cot A. We got an expression in the numerator, right? So that is the reason what we replace that numerator. So this category of one more question we have, that is a solved example. Example number, which example number? 15, 1-5. Okay. So next we will do that example. Actually, I could have given it as a homework question to you, but being the importance, by considering the importance of the sum, we are going to do it right now. Okay. I will give you the time to try that one. It is similar type question. And I will explain that one. Yes. But before that, please go through this. So here it was in terms of cos A, sin A, and we have to convert it into cosec A and cot A. Next sum, it will be in terms of sec A and tan. Right hand side will be sec A and tan. So you will decide what factor to be divided. Okay. Yes, please write. Example number 15 is the next question. That is also very important 4-marker question. Example number 15. Right. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 whole divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to. Prove that sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 whole divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. 1 by sec theta minus tan theta using the identity sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Using the identity sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Please prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 whole divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta using the identity sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This is also the same type. So we start by writing the left hand side and we have to divide something here to get sec and tan. So we'll copy the left hand side. Can you say what factor to be divided to get sec and tan? What is sec theta is equal to? Michael, sec theta is 1 by 1 by cos theta. And the tan theta is in terms of sin and cos. Tan theta Samuel Saji, can you say tan theta is in terms of sine and cos?
Sin theta by cos theta.
Sin theta by cos theta. So you will write that. Now look at the denominator. What is the denominator of these two? Cos theta. So we should divide throughout by cos theta. Okay, we should get cos theta in the denominator. For that, the first step is dividing throughout by cos theta. Only Karthik Nandan sent the answer from the online. Otherwise, what happened? All of you have to respond, okay? So dividing throughout by cos theta. The first step is dividing throughout by cos theta. The first step is dividing throughout by cos theta. Dividing throughout by cos theta. So it will become sin theta by cos theta. We have to divide it throughout by cos theta. So it will be sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. All divided by sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. All divided by, what about the next term? Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta, then minus 1 by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. We have divided throughout by cos theta. Now, sin theta by cos theta is, what about sin theta by cos theta? Tan theta. So this is tan theta minus 1 plus, what about this? Sec theta, right? 1 by cos theta is sec theta. This is sec theta. Denominator is also the same, tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Okay? That will be tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now we have to replace the 1, right? We should replace the 1 in numerator or denominator. Which one to be replaced? Denominator 1. The correct answer. Why denominator 1? Because look at the right hand side. The right hand side expression is in the denominator. You will write the same type of reason. You can write in the reference space. Look at the right hand side. The expression given in right hand side is in denominator. So replace the 1 in denominator, this one, by what? By second identity. What is second identity? 1 is equal to 1 is equal to second identity. 1 is equal to
6
square
tan
theta
square.
minus tan square theta. You have to replace 1 by sec square theta minus tan square theta in the denominator. So please write the reason in the reference space. Here the expression given in RHS is in the denominator. So replace the 1 in the denominator by sec square theta minus tan square theta. So we have to replace the 1 in denominator by sec square theta minus tan square theta. The expression given in RHS is in the denominator. So replace. So replace the 1 in the denominator by sec square theta minus tan square theta. Here also, you please note down the reason. Examination, it is not at all compulsory to write the reason like this. It is just for your understanding. Okay, when you practice again, there should not be any confusing element. Why do we replace this one, that one, etc. Okay, so we are going to replace the 1 in the denominator. So this will become tan theta, then plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta, then minus sec theta plus. This is sec square theta minus tan square theta. So the 1 in denominator we replace by sec square theta minus tan square theta. Is that clear? Yes. Now sec square theta minus tan square theta we can factorize. How will you factorize sec square theta minus tan square theta? You know, a square minus b square form. A plus b into a minus b. So you will replace this by a plus b into a minus b identity. That is tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus. This will be sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. That will become tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon. Now from these two terms, I will take minus outside because sec theta minus tan theta is here. So we are going to take sec theta minus tan theta outside, but this is tan theta minus sec theta. How to reverse it we studied in one of the sums. We have to take minus outside. When we take minus outside, this can be, and this will be plus, and this will become minus. So it is sec theta minus tan theta. So from the first term, I will take minus outside like this, minus of okay, so the first term becomes minus of sec theta minus tan theta, minus of like the sec theta minus tan theta. Is that clear? Minus when we take outside, the term reverses sec theta minus tan theta. He should ask the last question that doubt. Now it is clear, right? Now this will be plus sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Now in these two terms, we can take sec theta minus tan theta outside. In these two terms, you will take sec theta minus tan theta outside. So this will be tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon. So this is a sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta into. Then what about this term? Minus. If you take sec theta minus tan theta outside, what happens to this term? Divide by sec theta minus tan theta. So what will remain there? Minus 1. It is minus 1. -1 plus sec theta plus tan theta. -1 plus sec theta plus tan theta. Now look at these two terms. Numerator and denominator. You please look at these two terms. Here it is. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. This also saying tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. So can we cut these two terms? Yes, we can cancel out these two terms because both are tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Then the remaining 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. The remaining expression is 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. So 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Hence it is proved. This is the complete answer to this question. Okay. Hope you all understood this one. Any doubts, children? This is the RHS. So both these questions you have to study well. Both are almost a similar type. And in one of the questions, we replace 1 in the numerator, but here we replace 1 in the denominator. It is based on the right hand side. Okay. So you understood now, but you have to practice it very well. Okay. Both are 4 markers. Now I will take the attendance and we'll start the next 6th question. Okay. Ahana is present. Aaron Barbosa.
Present, sir.
Then Abdul Rahman. Abira.
Present, sir.
Cassandra is here. Then Selin. Jonathan David. Elaine.
Present, sir.
Evelyn.
Present, sir.
Hafizur. Jesselyn, Jonathan Thomas. Joshua Alvin. Karthik Nandan.
Present, sir.
Karthik Yeben. Yes. Laiva. Manav. Michael. Yes, Michael. Yes. Srujana.
Present, sir.
Milin. Muhammad Attar. Muhammad Said. What about Muhammad Attar? Absent. Muhammad Said. Nandini. Raihan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nandini is present. Hisha is here. Rohit. Suchit. Samuel.
Present, sir.
Sabil.
Present, sir.
Shannon. Sean. Smith Kubal.
Present, sir.
Sri Hari. Suhail. Suhail. Saida Kubra.
Present, sir.
Taha. Taha and Yusuf.
Present, sir.
Taha is absent. No, Taha is joining. So these are the absentees. I will send the absentee names because some students did not inform me. At the same time, I will write the next question. Please write the next one. This is the question number 6 from the exercise. Prove that square root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. Prove that root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. Please write this question. Muhammad Attar and Muhammad Saeed are absent, right? Okay, so in this type of root expressions, you will multiply by conjugate of denominator, exactly similar to rationalizing the denominator. You will multiply by changing the middle sign of the denominator. If it is 1 minus sin A, you will multiply by what? 1 plus sin A on both numerator and the denominator. So this is the starting step. LHS is root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A, multiply numerator and denominator by what? 1 plus sin A. You will multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A, like this. Multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A. Then this becomes 1 plus sin A the whole square upon 1 minus sin square A. 1 plus sin A the whole square upon 1 minus sin square A. 1 plus sin A the whole square upon 1 minus sin square A. Now, what is 1 minus sin square A? Using first identity, you can say. Quick answer, that means you have to study. 1 minus sin square A.
Sir, cos square A.
Cos square A, sudden answer is required. Okay, study up to that level. Repeat and study. 1 minus sin square A is a cos square A. So this will be root of 1 plus sin A the whole square upon cos square A. 1 plus sin A the whole square upon cos square A. Is that clear? 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. In class 9, we studied root of x square. If root and square is there, we can cut that. What is root of x square? Root of x square? It is x, right? It is x. Using the same rule, this root and square can be cancelled out. It becomes 1 plus sin A upon cos A. 1 plus sin A upon cos A. 1 plus sin A upon cos A. And this will be 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. What is 1 by cos A? 1 by cos A is 1 by cos A ck. So ck plus, what is the sin A by cos A? Tan A. So we got the answer, ck plus tan A. This is the right hand side, hence it is proved. So like this, root expressions multiply by rationalizing denominator form by changing the middle sign of the denominator expression. That is 1 minus sin A is multiplied. Is that clear? Next step. Question number 6 is done here. Hope you all understood the calculations. Next is 7th sum. Write the 7th division. Yes, question number 6, sir. All of you please complete. Those who are still remaining in online, wait a few seconds. Then question number 7. Next is question number 7. Please write. Prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Please write this. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. We can take sin theta outside from left hand side. Left hand side is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. We will take sin theta outside. So this will be sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so this will be. So I took sin theta outside from the denominator and we got the step. Sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now instead of cos square theta or sin square theta, one of them we have to replace using first identity. So I'm going to replace cos square theta. In the denominator, we have cos square theta. So instead of this cos square theta, you will replace it by first identity. What is cos square theta is equal to using first identity? 1 minus sin square theta. Instead of this cos square theta, we write 1 minus sin square theta. So this will be sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta into then 2 into 1 minus sin square theta, then minus 1. 2 into in bracket 1 minus sin square theta, then minus 1. That means we have replaced cos square theta by 1 minus sin square theta in the denominator. So this will be sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta into 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. Oh. We can replace one of them, either numerator sin square theta or cos square theta. I replaced the cos square theta by 1 minus sin square theta using first identity. Now, in the next step, you will understand where do we replace like this. So, is it clear that calculations 2 into I multiplied? Now, this 2 minus 1 we can subtract. What is 2 minus 1? 1. So, this will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta in the denominator. So, sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. What can you do in this step? Yes, we can cancel out these two. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Then what is remaining here? Sin theta by, yes, sin theta by cos theta is remaining. What is sin theta by cos theta? Yes, it is
Answer tan theta.
It is tan theta, hence it is proved. This is the complete calculation. Is that clear, children? Okay, so this is the RHS. Now, Hisha understood why do we replace cos square theta? To get the same expression of sine in numerator and the denominator. You must write and practice. Okay, then only you can come to know whether you get each step. Okay, then in between, you have to open the notebook and check the mistakes. But 1 or 2 times, you should be able to write this without looking at the notebook. Okay, that type of level you have to reach. Okay. Now, I will write next question also. Question number 8. Total 10 questions are there in this exercise. We are about to complete. In next class only we will finish this exercise. One of the very important exercises of our textbook. Okay, this one. Now the 8th subject. 7th is completed, 8th one. Right. Through that, sin A plus cosec A the whole square. Sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square. Cos A plus sec A the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Seven plus tan square A plus cot square A. Please write this question. Through that, sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Okay, so we will start the solution with the left hand side. So copy the left hand side and we will expand it using A plus B the whole square. So the left hand side we expand using A plus B the whole square. What is A plus B the whole square? A square plus, correct, or A square plus B square plus 2AB. I will write that form. Sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A. Second name also you will write in that form. Cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A. Is that clear? First name is written A square plus B square plus 2AB form. Second name also cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A form. Now, we can write these two terms together. Sin square A plus cos square A. What is sin square A plus cos square A? What about sin square A plus cos square A, children? This one, sin square A plus cos square A is 1, right? Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So I will write these two terms together. It is 1. So it is sin square A plus cos square A plus cosec square A then plus 2 sin A sec A cosec A, I mean 2 sin A cosec A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A. The sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 plus, instead of cosec square A, I am going to write 1 plus cot square A using the which identity? Identity number 3, right? Cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A. Then 2 sin A into cosec A can be written as 1 by sin A. Cosec A is 1 by sin A. Sec square A is 1 plus tan square A plus 2 cos A into 1 by cos A. 2 cos A into 1 by cos A. Now we cut sin A and cos A. We have to cancel out sin A and then cos A. We cut this sin A and then cos A. Then we get 1 plus cot square A plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2. Now add the numbers. What do you get? Only 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Total 7 is there, right? So we got the answer 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Hence it is proved. This is the right hand side. And we got the right hand side, hence it is proved. Okay. So here also that same way you have to expand and simplify, then only you will get the answer. Okay. So till 8th sum now we have completed, and I will ask you to do example number 13 as a homework. Our homework question is example number which one? 13.